Hello friends, welcome back to the Broccoli Master YouTube channel, your favorite place to learn coding step by step. In today's video, I'll going to show you some free APIs. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's go in our screen and I show you. The site name is Free Public APIs. Okay, so just right here freepublicapis.com, then click enter, then you see that website. In this website you can get 452 free public APIs for a student and developer. Okay, there's a lot of APIs. I show you how to use some of it. So you can choose your category also, what types of API do you want, some animals, art, entertainment or environment. Let's go with the development. Now you can see also here's a lot of APIs, just like IP geolocation API, phone number validator, HTML to PDF converter, bank logos API, IP datas. Okay, a lot of things. So I show you some example how to use it. Let's go from phone number validator. Okay, just click here and you come on this page. At the right side you can see that the API URL. Just copy it and open your Postman or any API testing platform and just put and test it that how it's working. I paste here and just click on send button. Then you can see some request is showing. The validate is true, number is validated, the country prefix, country code, line type, carrier and country name. Okay, so if you want to use this API for your countries or different countries, so here you put the data and use by making a small form. Here you choose user enter the number and choose the country code, then you pass that number here and you change the country code here. So I show you according to my country, this country code is NP and the number is start from 98 and random I can put here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, total 10 number is 2 4 6 7 8 19. Okay, then now request it, then you can see that validate true and you can see country name is Nepal, line type mobile, carrier is doesn't showing because maybe it doesn't including from any company, international format you can see, local format and number. It's very awesome. You can use this API and make your own project. So now let's go again that website, go back. Okay, and second time you can use HTML to PDF converter, open sense map API, bank logo. Let's go with the bank logo. It is so easy, I already tested. And copy API URL and just open Postman again and just paste here. Now when you get request, then it show you logo of the what you written here. Okay, but mostly you have to enter name anythings.com. okay, so now I show you how you change the logo, just like india.com. then click the request. You can see india.com. It only work if you put .com or something else. You can see that if I put new world .c only, then it showing some error. So we have to fulfill .com. Then click enter. Now you can see it's showing like that. So now you also make one project by using just put the name, what types of logo you want to create, and you just put at last.com. If we put your name inside here, now let's see, just my name is Samir and now I get request, then you can see showing the yes. So let's go again back to the site. I show you one more. So which we want to use, this is interesting, no? HTML to PDF converter. So just click here and just copy URL. Okay, so now Where is the postman? Just paste, Control A, Control B. Okay, for the only for just first click on get request. Okay, you can see. So this API can't take a get request, only post request. Okay, so change to the post. And where is the body? Okay, and how we have to send data? For that, let's go again the page. We have to send in body parameter OP.json. Okay, now let's try from the body. Remove this one. Okay, let's go from the row and just paste. Okay, now let's see what the result we are getting. So now you can see we successfully get a PDF. So now we have to make some function here to generate this type of binary to PDF. You can see as a visual format. Okay, it is not for a free plan, no problem, let's go. Okay, so I hope you understand. You send data like that, and in JavaScript there is certain function we have to use, then we create a PDF. So now let's go in the browser. I hope you understand how to use these APIs. Okay, let's go here. This is a lot of API, you can explore it and make some project. Okay, so in next video I'll show you how to create project by using this API. If you are already know to making some project, so please make it and tell me in comment that yes, we make this type of project by using this API. Okay, then see you in next video.